side. Now if my two sides meet here, then what angle this forms? Right. So first one that we are getting here. Right. Now next. If suppose my two sides meet here, then what is that angle? Acute. Sure? Yes. Okay. So next is my acute. I can give the example like this. This is right. This is acute. Here I have made the face of a bar. Okay. Now next. Suppose my very good. Then obtuse angle. So here I can make a small board. Here this angle is obtuse angle. Right? Now suppose my very good. Here, right? Now, one angle is left. Now, last but not the least is reflex. Now, we will make one puppet. I already made it. You will make it afterwards. But you have to tell me what the angles are. Fine? So here you will find all the angles. Now who can tell me? 1 minute. You have to come here one by one as I will tell you, and you will come here and you will show that angle. Okay? Right now, Ashutosh, come here. Show me the straight angle. Here. Now you need one vertex. All the points are showing the vertex. All the pins are vertex here. So what is that? What is the straight angle here where you can show the vertex also? This. So this is one straight angle. Very good. Clap for Ashutosh. Nice. Now, Harshvardhan, come here. Show me the acute angle. Who can tell me what is the acute angle here? Okay, Tanishka. Please don't do, ma'am. Which one? This one or this one? This is not acute. Okay, yes. One by one, please. Yes. Yes. Here you can see it is the acute angle here. Here is the vertex. Here is two sides. Okay, fine. Now please move. Now Asta, show me any one obtuse angle. Yes.